Behind me you'll see we're commencing micropiling works, which is one of the critical activities on the project to help strengthen the foundations of the existing structure to support the loads coming from above. Over the next few weeks, we'll be installing 30-metre deep micropiles beneath a fully operational building in the Docklands using Australia's smallest piling rig. These works are being performed under a number of different constraints, including limited access, low head heights and working around some live services. We've partnered with Keller, a specialist contractor who can work under these constraints, ensuring we can strengthen the ground from below without disrupting any of the operations happening within the live facility.
Micropile is a small diameter piling solution, normally to be used where the conventional piling foundation is not practical, especially like this one with the constraint conditions. Here, each micropile are precisely drilled into design depth, reinforced with steel, grouted to transfer the load safely into the ground. Quality control are built into process from daily drilling and grouting records to load testing that verifies the power performance against the design. Our spatial rigs and toolings allow us to deliver this job safely, efficiently in these constrained conditions.
Now that micropiling is underway, we're strengthening the building from the ground up, whilst business as usual continues above us.